Oh, you're killing me. So, have you heard of this guy? It's called the Dog Man of Whisker. Whisker, go! Run!